It's cotton candy cloud.
Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this headband unit that I'm rocking right now. So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen the cap construction and everything, I am here with the unit. So I did go ahead and wash it and let it air dry, and this is what it looks like. I did just put in a soft leave-in conditioner, a soft spray. So yeah, this is what it looks like after I wash it and everything, and I was just like setting my edges. So I'm just gonna take this off, and I did them off camera because I don't know, like I feel like I'm not that great like with the baby hair, so I don't know. I was trying to do something a little more dramatic though, because I feel like this gives me like back in the day. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the wig. So I will say that this one does fit my head like a lot more snug. This one definitely fits me more snug, but not in a way where I would feel uncomfortable. It's definitely like secured onto my head, but that is one thing that I noticed, that it does fit like a lot more snug. So anyways, this is what it looks like with just the headband on, and I feel like it looks more natural just because of the fact that it is so short. When I first saw this one, I was like, am I gonna be able to work with that? But I definitely feel like it is cute like once you play with it and everything. And then I'm gonna add this headband. I got it a while ago. It's like a pink headband because I have on like this pink top. It is kind of revealing, but yeah. But anyways, it's like one of these pink headbands. So I'm just gonna add like some mousse to the curls to kind of refresh them, even though they still do look good now. Like they look really good. And as far as shedding and tangling, I received a little bit of shedding and no tangling because the hair is so short. If I would have got tangling, I would have just been done with this wig. So I'm just gonna go in with this mousse. I'm gonna use the Cantu Wave Whip curling mousse. I absolutely love this. This is my favorite to use on like every single type of wig, like even synthetic wigs. Like I just love this. I feel like it works really well with curls. So I'm just gonna take that because I told you guys I already washed it and conditioned it, so I feel like this is the best product to take and to use, excuse me. And I love the fact that these curls are popping, and all I put on it was like leave-in conditioner, and the curls are popping, which is really good because that means that it's gonna take minimal products to make this hair work. So that's pretty much all I did. I kind of pushed some of the hair to the front, which I'm actually gonna put it back, and then put this back a little bit so that my headband could be the star of the show instead of the black one. And I'm just gonna put it on. Yeah, I think that looks really cute. Let me let you guys see how the back looks. So I feel like you could probably see like the headband. You might not be able to, but I feel like you can see like the headband back there because the hair is so short. So I would recommend wearing one that like covers all around, but this is how it looks in the back. So yeah, it's not really much to say about this one because it's so short, but I really do like it. I feel like it's really cute. If you do want something that's more short because that's what you're into, I definitely feel like this would be good. And this wig is under $50. Like it's super duper cheap, and it's human hair, and it's a really nice, like it's really nice. Like the hair is just so freaking pretty, and I don't feel like it was hard for me to blend my hair with it, even though like I have more of like a I don't know, like my hair is not this texture, okay, but I feel like it still looks good when I just laid my edges down and everything. So I feel like this wig is definitely a winner. It's definitely something that's different for me. Would I have picked this on my own? Probably not, if they didn't reach out to like do this wig with me, but I feel like it does look cute and it definitely does serve a look. So definitely go ahead and check the link in the description box below. But yeah, divas, that's pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you fabulous girls and know what you guys are thinking. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And also hit that notification bell, girl. I do have content coming up that you definitely do not want to miss. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.